Hey guys, my name is Taylor and welcome back to my channel, where in this video I have something really exciting that has arrived in the mail. Hint hint, it's a leotard. Ugh. Well, if you've seen the title of this video, you already know what it is, so let's get into it. It is the, I'm hoping, it's the only thing I've ordered recently actually, the collections by Claudia, Dream Collection leotard. Now there were only 10 of these released in each size, so I was very, very lucky to get one. I don't actually remember if I got an adult small or an adult medium, but we're gonna find out. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing like a review of it, my first impressions of it, and this is my first time getting this type of packaging in the mail, like this bag. Usually I just get the plain white ones, but this one's cool. I think this is the way she's doing it from now on. So cool. Anyway, rip it open. I'm very, very excited. Ugh! I'm very, very, very lucky I got one as well. Okay. I also got the skirt, so what am I going to pull out first? I actually don't know. Okay, I got an adult medium. I'm just gonna like sit this over there for now. I got the adult medium Dream leotard. It comes in a packaging like this. First impressions, I can see the charm. Love the charm already. The color is like a dusty pink. It's not really like her other dusty pinks. Usually like it's very, very dusty, which I like. It's like a nice pink. It's not too in your face. How many times did I just say pink in that one sentence? So we open it up. It feels really nice. It feels nice. Let's have a look. Oh my god, I got it the wrong way. It's a very unique design. Oh, hello. Here we go. So this is the leotard. I really like it. It's a nice, like, it's high up here. First impressions, very nice. Stitching is beautiful. It feels nice. It's very stretchy. We can of course see the nice charm. And yeah, it actually looks very comfortable. Oh, and the charm here. So there's two charms. So that's the leotard. We will try it on in a second. But first impressions, it is stunning. It's beautiful. I love it. And I like the like what made Claudia to release these as limited, like to make you feel like special, because like there's not many people that have it. I do like that she's gone that way about this collection, because it's a very unique leotard, and you know, not many people will have a leotard like that, so it does make you feel special. And then of course we have the skirt. The skirt, I don't usually have the best experiences with Claudia's skirts, if I'm being completely honest. Usually they're like really short on me, and I don't know if that's just because I have really, really long legs. Even if I go the size up, they're pretty short. But I did like the way this one was looking, so I did grab it. Ooh, and it's not it's not see-through. Oh my goodness, I love this. Oh my god, I don't know how to work it, but I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love the charm, honestly. So obviously put the skirt on like that, and then you clip this one here. Claudia, you've really outdone yourself. This is stunning. I like the skirt more than I like the leotard at this point. And like the fabric, it's, oh, it's so nice. Anyway, I'm going to go and put this on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on. I'm super excited. Voila! I think I have a new favorite leotard. Obviously I've just put the leotard on at this point. It is honestly, and I mean honestly, the most comfortable thing I have ever worn, and I didn't think I'd be saying that. It was well worth the money I paid for it, and it feels supportive. Like, it feels like it was like made for someone like me. That sounds so silly. It's so, I can't believe it. It's supportive in all the right places. there's not too much showing. Like, it doesn't ride up. It fits so comfortably. It fits so comfortably. Wow, that's a word I cannot say apparently. I'm gonna go and pop on the skirt in 3, 2, 1. Holy shadazzles. It is a decent length. As I was saying before, I didn't really like the other lengths. It feels so comfortable. I really like this feature here. Da 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 da. I feel like I'm gonna do like a Spanish dance with the leotard. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can feel how much energy I have and how much love I have for this leotard. If I can get the clip back on. Go back in. It's beautiful. I'll have like a side view with the skirt on. Move my hands like this. It's on my first position. This is the back. Nice little charm there. It's so supportive. I can't believe it. Wow, the back is stunning. Woo, damn. I'm just hyping myself up. This, excuse me, motorcycle. I am trying to record a video in here. Please leave. Also, this is the other part of my room that no one ever gets to see. I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little like unboxing, first impression, review type of video. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. We are at 200 subscribers. Oh my goodness, there are 200 people that want to watch me. That's kind of crazy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a magical day, guys, and I'll see you soon.